If your OneDrive is packed with duplicate files or repeated photos, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to find and delete OneDrive duplicate files and photos all at once so you can clean up your cloud storage faster and keep everything organized. This is perfect if your folders are messy, your photo library has copies of the same image, or you just want to free up space without deleting things one by one. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in to the account where your files and photos are stored. Once you're inside the OneDrive, head to either My Files if you're looking for documents and folders, or Photos if you want to clean up image duplicates. Choosing the right section is important because it helps you narrow down exactly where the duplicates are located. Now, if you already know part of the file name, use the search bar at the top to look for similar file names. This can help you quickly spot repeated uploads, copied versions, or files with names that only differ slightly. For example, if you have something like report, reports1, and ripper copy, searching for the main file name can make the duplicates easier to find. Next, sort your files by name or date modified. Sorting by name helps group similar items together, which is great when you want to compare duplicates side by side. Sorting by date modified can also help when you uploaded the same file more than once around the same time. This step makes the cleanup process much faster because duplicates usually stand out when they're grouped together. Once you spot the duplicate files or photos, select them using the checkboxes. Be careful here and make sure you only select the copies you want to remove. If you're deleting photos, zoom in mentally on the file names, dates, or thumbnails so you don't accidentally remove the original version. If you're unsure, keep the file that has the correct name, best quality, or the most recent useful version. After selecting the duplicates, click Delete on the top bar. This sends the items to the OneDrive recycle bin first, which is helpful because it gives you a safety net in case you delete something by mistake. So even though you're cleaning things up all at once, you still have a chance to review everything before it's permanently gone. Now go to the OneDrive recycle bin. This is an important step because it lets you double check what was deleted before you remove it forever. Review the deleted files carefully and make sure the items in the bin are truly duplicates. If something important ended up there, restore it before continuing. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, click Empty Recycle Bin to permanently remove all the duplicates from OneDrive. This is the final cleanup step, and it's what actually frees up space in your account. After that, your OneDrive should be much more organized, easier to search through, and far less cluttered. And that's it. You've now learned how to find and delete OneDrive duplicate files and photos all at once. A simple sort, a quick search, and a careful delete process can make a huge difference in keeping your cloud storage clean. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.